Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro and let me show you how to allow unknown sources. So at first let's open the settings here. Now go to security and privacy. Here enroll more settings, more security and privacy settings, and mark installation sources. And now smoothly by using the indicators, you can activate particular source. Then just mark allow. Be aware that apps from external sources are not verified by OPPO and may contain some security risks. But if you still want to allow this source to be installed, just mark allow. And it's all the same with each app. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.